With Release 34, our Automation Success Platform supports reliable, object-based automation of web applications that are built using the ShadowDOM web standard. Release 34 also supports the quick update of all automations to newer versions of packages. Let's take a quick look at a demo of these features. Blue Ocean Inc.'s ServiceNow application uses ShadowDOM UI elements. ShadowDOM is a modern web application development standard and is increasingly being used in web applications like Salesforce, ServiceNow, and more. As you can see, the underlying source code of such web applications is different from regular web applications. The UI elements are organized under Shadow Roots elements. It is not possible to automate such applications using the standard approach of traversing through the DOM. Let us see how Sue, a citizen developer, has used our Process Composer to orchestrate the incident management process that uses their ITSM application, ServiceNow, that has ShadowDOM UI elements. One of her automations reads the incident's data from a spreadsheet and creates those incident records in ServiceNow. Let's first check out the automation creation experience for Sue. Before this improvement, Sue was not able to detect and automate ShadowDOM UI elements. Now let us see the experience after this improvement. As you can see, she can now automate the web applications using ShadowDOM UI elements in the same way as she would with a regular web application. This provides a seamless user experience for Sue without any learning curve. To enable this, we have introduced two new properties: Shadow Root Path and CSS Selector. These properties enable developers to target ShadowDOM elements with precision, ensuring that automations are both reliable and maintainable. Another exciting announcement is developers will also be able to use CSS selectors in conjunction with DOMX Path for all kinds of web applications to achieve even greater reliability for web-based automation. Let's see this automation in action. As you can see, Sue can successfully automate her incident management process that uses web applications with ShadowDOM UI elements. This enhances the automation coverage to new use cases and delivers the user experience and reliability of a native desktop experience. Having realized the power of ShadowDOM automation, Jake, the automation admin, wants to roll out the latest recorder package to all the automations in their development instance so that the automation creators can make use of the new feature to improve current automations and develop new complex automations. Automation Anywhere has also published a new version of the Excel Advanced package with multiple enhancements and fixes. In order to roll these packages out, Jake navigates to the bot update page and triggers the packages update across the automations. Jake has an intuitive wizard to configure package update options. He simply searches for Recorder and Excel and selects Recorder and Excel Advanced packages to be updated. Jake can now update the latest or production versions of Recorder and Excel Advanced packages across the selected automations. Alternatively, Jake can also choose to update all the automations with the latest or production versions of these automations. Jake decides to update all automations with the latest version of Recorder and Excel Advanced packages. The bulk package update weaves its magic in the background. Only the automations that need an update are picked up, thus hugely improving on the package update time. Jake also gets a live progress of the package update with details such as automations completed, failed, skipped, stopped, and total automations that needed to be updated. Jake can also stop the package update activity in case he wants to continue it at a later time. Automation 360 thus provides a complete end-to-end solution to manage and govern packages and automations across the enterprise. The admin has finer options to consume the automation packages, selectively publishing them only to the necessary users and roles, testing the packages with critical automations, and once verified, rolling them out to all automations with just a few clicks.